Okay, welcome back to Advanced List Building Strategies. In this video, we are going to be learning how to create our next product. And remember, as many times you can create a product, you can go through this process again and again and again and again. It's going to start your ability to attract new affiliates who will promote this product, build your list, and do the buyer infiltration method as many times as you can do it. So the question then is, well, how do I keep creating products? And the key to high selling products is social proof. Now, you might think that it's new ideas, and it isn't. The key to high selling products, you can take an existing idea that you can have added your twist to if you can prove that you have made money with it. So in other words, you are actually going to take, maybe two methods, combine them, use them in order to make money, and build social proof. So really the key there is that you actually do use an information product to make money, and you document it, right? You document your process. Now, your job to create your next product is just by getting results. So, whether you take two methodologies or three methodologies or create something brand new, get results where you made real money. And that really will help you. Now, of course, you can go get private label rights products. I know that. You can go and get an interview product. I know that. All those are things that you can do. Now, I'm not talking about those things because everyone does them, right? And so they are not going to be unique high sellers. I mean, if you're going to create a piece of software, make sure it really is unique and make sure it really does help people to do some of the things that they need to do to solve problems. You should be testing different theories and adding your own twist to them, right? You should be doing that in order to create your next product, if that's a way. Now, again, the key is going to be that you actually make money with them. So now when you have a process where you can record your results, you're winning, right? You have a winning formula, you have a winning product, you can then start creating and go to market. Now, make sure that your process actually does solve a problem, right? So if your buyer doesn't, if it's something that, really doesn't save your buyer time, and yeah, you can make money, but they've got to work, 36 hours a day, then you haven't solved the problem. If they've got to spend a lot of money in order to make money, make a little bit of money, you haven't really solved the problem for them, right? Anybody can do that if they stick with it long enough. That's not necessarily solving any problems. You can help them to make money faster. You can help them make money while they're at their full-time job. Then you solve the problem, right? And if you can do that, then you really do have a product that people are going to buy. Once you have a product, you can restart the processes. Like I just said, you could do the buyer infiltration method, right? And build a buyer's list based by, getting your product on the inside of other big marketers' products. But if you keep doing this, you'll be a big marketer with a big list yourself. Okay, and of course, then you can get affiliates to promote the product straight up, and they will help you to build your list. Okay, so really, that's really it. Remember, the key is going to be to creating your own products. You can continue this process as many times as you want to build your list, as long as you create the product first. And with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.